To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, this is Bhagyashree and a very warm welcome to another episode of COVID-19 Bulletin. The Indian government is leading the world's largest vaccination drive. To make it successful, the government is taking various initiatives for faster registration and consequently the vaccination of its citizens. In this league, the government has now allowed for on-site registration of those between 18 to 44 years in the government vaccination centers. Initially, online registration was necessary for those who are 18 to 44 years old and aspire to get vaccinated. This was done to avoid overcrowding at the vaccination centers. However, based on the various representations given by the states and inputs received by the Union Health Ministry, they have now allowed the feature of on-site registration. This decision was primarily taken based on the fact that sometimes the people who have registered for vaccination do not turn up on the day, which causes the vaccine wastage as each vial has 10 doses. The people who have done on-site registration can be given shots of these unutilized vaccines to minimize vaccine wastage. The other point was to ensure that people who have limited access to mobile phones or internet services have another mode to get vaccinated. Though the ministry has left it to the choice of the state or union territory government if they wish to implement this facility at the government vaccination center or not. However, the ministry has asked the respective governments to ensure that there is no overcrowding at vaccination centers while implementing this facility. Another indigenous COVID-19 antibody detection kit will soon reach the market. Dubbed as DIPCOVAN, this kit is made by DRDO scientists, has a faster turnaround time of only 75 minutes and will cost only 75 rupees per test. Also, this kit has less cross-reactivity, making it more specific to detect antibody against COVID-19. The kit has a high sensitivity of 97% and specificity of 99% and works by detecting both spikes as well as nucleocapsid proteins of the SARS-CoV-2 virus. DRDO has made this kit in collaboration with New Delhi-based Vanguard Diagnostics Private Limited. The kit has been validated on more than 1,000 patient samples at various COVID-designated hospitals in Delhi and was approved for use by the Indian Council of Medical Research or ICMR in April 2021, and now in the month of May, the product has received regulatory approval from the Drugs Controller General of India, Central Drug Standard Control Organization and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to manufacture for sale and distribution. Industry partner Vanguard Diagnostics Private Limited will commercially launch this product during the first week of June 2021. The kit will be very useful for understanding COVID-19 epidemiology and assessing an individual's previous SARS-CoV-2 exposure. CSIR, Central Scientific Instruments Organization, has transferred the technology of its UVC air duct disinfection system to 28 companies. This UVC technology can be used to disinfect auditoriums, large conference rooms, classrooms, malls, etc. The use of this system will create a relatively safe environment for indoor activities in times of current epidemics. The technique has been developed based on the needs to inactivate the SARS-CoV-2 virus present in air microtubules with the necessary ventilation measures, the necessary safety and user guidelines, and the biosafety standards tested. The UVC disinfection technique neutralizes up to 99% of viruses, bacteria, fungi, and other biological microscopic particles present in the air using 254 nm UV light. Its use can also help improve the fungal infections seen during the current wave of epidemics. And before we bid adieu, we bring to you an exciting news, a moment of pride for India, as our very own Bharat Ratna Professor C.N.R. Rao has received the International ENI Award 2020 for research into renewable energy sources and energy storage, also called the Energy Frontier Award. This is a highly reputed award and considered to be the Nobel Prize in energy research. Well, that's all for now in this bulletin. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in, and don't forget to follow us on social media. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Take care and stay safe, India.